the welcome over stove on my patio next to the braai, and I fired it up. Let's see how the fire is going. It's burning nicely, and it's burning nicely. So today I'm gonna have a go at some lamb chop curry. Let's see how it goes. Towards the little oven thermometer so that I can see what temperature the oven is at and how long it will take to reach baking temperature at 180 to 200. I'm just going to put it in the oven. The fire's been going now for about 15 minutes. So let's see. Heated up some oil with a piece of stick cinnamon, a few cardamom pods, and now I'm gonna braise the onions. What's up, Dorothy? From the sizzling you can hear that it's temperature of the plate probably about medium to high. So you could braise that for about 10 minutes. Just gonna check on the fire, see if it needs some more wood. Still going nicely, but I think I can add another piece. There we go. That's how you regulate the temperature on the wood stove. Let's check on the thermometer. It's been in now for about 15 minutes and the temperature is 100 degrees. Great stuff. Nice to be able to sit outside on the patio and cook, and the nice view of the garden. Meat standing in front of the stove in the kitchen. Onions are nice and brown now. And now I'm just going to braise the meat for about 10 minutes. See how the chops are doing? They're looking good. So now we're just going to add the spices. And some garlic and ginger paste. Give that all a nice stir. Smelling good already. Let's let that simmer for a few minutes and we'll be right back. Okay, so now the potatoes have gone in. Let that steam a bit before we add some water to make a nice gravy. Now we're going to add some water, some nice warm water. Oops, forgot to open the kettle. That's enough to cover the meat and the potatoes. Let that simmer now for about 20-25 minutes. Let's have a look. Oh, that looks lovely. Water's bubbling away. Let's wait for the potatoes to get soft. For another 10 minutes. And then we can eat. Yeah, let's have a look. Yeah, that looks good. Dinner is served. Die wat jy gekry het nie?
Moet kry môre.
Kos is op die tafel. But as they say, the proof of the pudding is in the eating. So, let's see what it's going to taste like. Okay, let's dish up some rice. And some lamb chop curry. Let's give it a taste. Very good, very good.